Where is it?
Changing.
Yes, it's a UFO. Holy crap, babe, I can't see the sun. Babe, the sun is killing me. This is a UFO in the sky.
There's not any birds. There's not.
Babe, stop talking. Where'd it go? Babe, what does it look like to you?
Oh, it looks like a streamer that a plane will be carrying it behind them, but
I guess it's like something in the sky like that. I thought it was a UFO.
well, it is unidentified and it's flying.
Hey, the world is our filter, right?
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it right there? What the fuck?
Where is it?
Oh, that's not it. That's a moon.
Oh, it's right there. I see it. It's so small. It's so tiny. It's in the clouds now. I didn't even get a lot of